Honestly, there are tons of data recovery and phone repair tools on the market. So why do I keep using Gbyte and even pay for it? Because it has genuinely saved me twice. Once when I accidentally formatted a hard drive partition containing all my travel photos, and another time when my husband's iPhone suddenly kept rebooting indefinitely. So today, I'm not reviewing it, but sharing a tool that gives me peace of mind. It's like digital insurance. Without it, how much would these kinds of problems cost? Hiring a professional data recovery service, starting at $300. And there's no guarantee of success. Going to an Apple store or third-party repair shop? Just the diagnostic fee alone is tens of dollars, and repairs cost hundreds, plus the data loss. But with Gbyte, I only pay a one-time fee, cheaper than a dinner. It offers a regret remedy for accidentally deleted photos, a reset button for a bricked phone, and a regret remedy for a failed upgrade. It also has a data recovery function, which can retrieve memories, resolve troubles, and keep you calm in emergencies. One tool solves all the what-ifs you fear most in your digital life. So, if you're also fed up with the invisible anxiety of data might be lost at any time, I highly recommend you try Gbyte. It gives you control. Click the link in the description bar and choose a suitable license. The first recovery or repair will be worth it. Buy peace of mind for your digital life. This might be the most worthwhile small investment you can make. If you also have a story of buying saved by a tool, share it in the comments section below, and let's discuss it together. Remember to subscribe to the notification bell, and see you in the next video.